Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial kind of inspired by like festival makeup. Just because it's festival season and it's been all over Instagram, like every single look that I've seen on Instagram, I've been so inspired to like do something really colorful and really like festival-y. I know it's the end of April and festival season is kind of over, but I've been meaning to do this for a really long time and I thought better late than never, right? I feel like that's my life motto. I kind of wanted to do something inspired by festivals, so like really colorful but at the same time really wearable. I feel like I haven't done anything super colorful in a really long time. I've kind of been in some weird like rut where I don't really play with makeup, but I don't know, just seeing all those festival looks, I really wanted to get back into it. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with the sleek Ultra Matte V1730. I think that's what it's called, but it's just this whole bunch of really like matte, hot, bright colors. So I'm gonna start off by grabbing the matte white shade right here, and I'm just gonna pop that all over my eyelids, just so that we have an even base for everything else to go on top of. I might actually take some and run it along the lower as well, just because I'm going to put shadows there. So I'm just going to go in with this purple shade right here, and I'm just going to put that in the outer crease area. I'm just going to take that in as well. Then I'm going to grab this pink shade right here. I'm going to put it kind of on top of that, but a little bit further into my eye. I feel like that was really similar. I might just go straight into the orange. You know what, I'm just going to pop that on with my finger because that's going to get the most pigment. And then just blend out the edges together. Then I'm going to grab this blue right here and do the same thing, but this time just in between those two shades. Pop it on with my finger and then blend it in. I'm going to go back into that purple and just layer it on top of that blue. It's just a lot of layering, to be honest, because when you put one color on top of another, it's going to kind of dull down the other color. I feel like you just need to keep playing around with the layering. I'm going to move the orange all the way into here. Grabbing that green, I'm going to pop it in between the blue and the orange. And just lightly blend, not too much because I don't want the colors to fade into each other. I'm just like literally just dabbing at the ends of the shades. I don't want them to just completely disappear into each other, you know what I mean? So I want to have this whole inner corner bit really bright and yellow. So I'm going to take it all the way in. Then just blend everything together. I'm going to take some of that yellow up here on my brow bone area as well. So I was going to actually leave my lid there and do a cut crease kind of thing, but I think I might just put the same shades on my lid. So going in with purple in the outer corners, then blue, a little bit of the green, orange. Then just grabbing the orange, I'm going to use that to blend on top a little bit. So I do want the outer corners to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to mix that purple and that blue together and just deepen up the outer crease area. Then I'm going to grab the orange and then blend in from where that ends. So for the lower lash line, I'm just going to grab the same shades and pop them right down there. Then I'm just really messily going to blend it all out. I don't want it to be too neat. I feel like the beauty is in the messiness. So I'm just going to clean up under my eyes with a little bit of powder because there was quite a bit of fallout. I'm going to go put some mascara on and some false lashes, and I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so that's eyes basically done. I feel like you can't really see the colors too much, but I mean it's there. It's alright. I think I do actually want to do a little bit more on my lower lash lines. I feel like it's very top heavy right now. So I'm going to grab the same colors and do the same thing down the bottom again. Just blend it out a little bit more this time though, because I just wanted a little bit more smoky. Is that better? So let's move on to the rest of my face. I'm just going to bronze up all around my face with my favorite NYX matte bronzer. For blush, I'm going to go into my Glam X palette and grab, I'm thinking this one right here, kind of like a moldy peach, and pop that right on my cheekbones. I think I'm going to do it a little bit higher than usual, so like right up here, maybe around the sides of my forehead as well. I'll take a little bit of this one and pop it right on my apples. And favorite part, I'm going to go into highlighter, the new Glam X Sunkissed Glow. Sunkissed Goddess Glow. This one is in the shade Cairo, and it is absolutely stunning, like amazing. I can't even. So pretty. I feel like not many powder highlighters I use my finger with, but this is so creamy that it really does work. I'm just going to blend it out a little bit more with a fan brush. And pop some down there. So for lips, I'm going to go in with Colourpop. Do I want to? Yeah. Colourpop Beeper. So that is pretty much it. Oh wait, no. I wanted to put a little crystal thing. So I did want to like embrace the whole gem trend of festivals. So I'm gonna grab a little crystal and just pop that under my eye. I don't know how this is gonna work, but you know, let's see. Pretty sure it's gonna fall. God, why is this so hard to do? That's cute. Is that even? Probably not at all. Huh. Okay, so now we're done. This is the finished look. Oh, I love that highlighter so much. But yeah, that's the eyes and the random gemstone just sitting there. So yeah, this is the finished festival inspired look. I wish the colors were a bit brighter, but I think I blended them into each other way too much, but I mean, it's alright. I'm still quite happy with it. So yeah, this is my finished festival inspired look that's kind of wearable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful or enjoyable, and I will see you next time. Bye.